Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on vector space, lecture number 3, in which I will discuss on properties of vector space. Now we shall discuss on properties of vector space. Let VF be a vector space over a field F. Then following equations are true for each K belongs to F and alpha belongs to V. Number 1, K0, this 0 is 0 element of V, equal to 0. This 0 belongs to V. Number 2, this 0, real number 0 or the 0 of the field, alpha, equal to 0 of V. Here this 0 belongs to F and this 0 belongs to V. Number 3, minus under bracket K alpha equal to under bracket minus K alpha equal to K under bracket minus alpha. Number 4, if K alpha equal to 0, then K equal to 0 means this is the 0 of the field, or alpha equal to 0 vector. Now we prove this. Proof number 1. Since alpha equal to alpha plus 0 vector, where alpha belongs to V and 0 belongs to V, implies that K alpha equal to K alpha plus 0. This is K alpha plus K0. This is number 1. Again, alpha equal to 0 plus alpha implies that K alpha equal to K 0 plus alpha equal to K 0 plus K alpha. This is number 2. From 1 and 2, we get that K0 is the additive identity that is 0 element of V, because here we see that K alpha equal to K alpha plus K0, and again K alpha equal to K0 plus K alpha, that is K0 plays as the 0 element of V. Therefore, K0 equal to 0. Proved. since k equal to k plus 0, here 0 belongs to F field. K is also element of field, and in field we have the 0 element, this 0. In the case of real number, this is the real number 0, implies that k alpha equal to k plus 0 alpha. This is equal to k alpha plus 0 alpha. This is number 3. Again, k equal to 0 plus k. This 0 belongs to F, implies that k alpha equal to 0 plus k alpha. This means 0 alpha plus k alpha. This is number 4. From 3 and 4, we get that zero alpha be the 0 element of V. Therefore, 0 alpha equal to 0. This 0 belongs to V and this 0 belongs to F field, and alpha belongs to V. Now we prove number 3. Let k belongs to F. Therefore, minus k, additive inverse of k in F, belongs to F, and k plus minus k equal to 0. This 0 belongs to F also. Minus k plus k equal to 0. This 0 belongs to F. Is number 5 and this is number 6. From 5, we get k plus minus k alpha equal to 0 alpha, implies that k alpha plus minus k alpha equal to 0 vector. Means we know that if this is 0 of the field and alpha belongs to V, then 0 alpha equal to 0 vector. This is number 7. From 6, we get minus k plus k alpha equal to 0 alpha, implies that minus k alpha plus k alpha equal to 0 vector. This is 8. from 7 and 8, we get that minus K alpha is additive inverse of K alpha. Therefore, minus K alpha equal to minus K alpha. This is 9. Again, alpha plus minus alpha equal to 0 vector. Since alpha belongs to V and minus alpha also belongs to V, implies that K alpha plus minus alpha equal to K 0 vector, implies that K alpha plus K minus alpha equal to 0 vector, since K field and 0 vector gives result 0 vector. This is number 10. Again, minus alpha plus alpha equal to 0 vector, implies that K minus alpha plus alpha equal to K0. This is 0 vector equal to 0 vector, implies that K minus alpha plus K alpha equal to 0 vector. This is number 11. Therefore, K minus alpha is additive inverse of K alpha. Therefore, K minus alpha equal to minus K alpha. This is from 10 and 11. We conclude that K minus alpha is additive inverse of K alpha. And this is number 12. From 9 and 12, we get here we see that minus K alpha, here we also see that minus under bracket K alpha, and here minus under bracket K alpha equal to under bracket minus K alpha, and here K under bracket minus alpha. That means minus K alpha equal to minus K under bracket alpha equal to K minus alpha. Proved. Number 3 proved. Proof number 4. Let K belongs to F field, alpha belongs to V vector space, implies that K inverse belongs to F field. Now let K alpha equal to 0 vector, implies that K inverse K alpha equal to K inverse 0 vector, implies that K inverse K under bracket alpha equal to, this is 0 vector, because if we take scalar multiplication of any element with 0 vector, it gives 0 vector, implies that 1 into alpha equal to 0 vector, implies that alpha equal to 0 vector. Again, since alpha belongs to V, means alpha is a vector, we may write alpha equal to, in n tuple, alpha to alpha n. Now K alpha equal to 0 implies that K alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n equal to this 0 vectors, we may write 0, 0, 0. This 0 belongs to F, implies that K alpha 1, K alpha 2, K alpha n equal to 0, 0, 0, implies that K alpha 1 equal to 0, K alpha 2 equal to 0, dot dot dot, K alpha n equal to 0. If alpha not equal to 0, then alpha I not equal to 0 for some I equal to 1 to n. Therefore, K alpha I equal to 0 implies that K equal to 0, alpha I not equal to 0 for some I. Therefore, we get if K alpha equal to 0, then alpha equal to 0 or K equal to 0. Proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.